Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using the dialer and the second is using the settings. So first of all, let me show you this option with the dialer. So let's open it, let's tap on the keypad and let's type *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's click on OK and let me show you another option. Let's tap on the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And here let's tap on the status. And as you can see, here we've got all IMEI numbers and also a serial number. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your OPPO Reno4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.